So today I'm going to be showing you guys, I know I've showed you guys a lot of home, but I'm showing you a combination of a condo, townhouse style home. We're in the middle of Fort Lauderdale. We have ocean view. This is for the young professional. Like if you are young and trendy and you're looking for a home in Fort Lauderdale, this is it. So I'm going to give you guys a tour and I hope you enjoy. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So if you saw the previous video of this one, that one was a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath.
Yes. This apartment is what you call the first tier, you know, the 100 series. So the 100 series are apartments where they're on the first and the second floor. So, and then now we're on the premium series, which is the 200 series, which is housed on the 3rd floor and the 4th floor.
So this is in reverse.
Yes,
so
it's in
bedrooms
reverse.
are downstairs and your living area is upstairs. Where the living, you get a view of the ocean. So
yes. So this is a better setup, definitely. So this would be what $1.7 million would get you.
Right.
And then the one down there would be what $1.3 million. So when you enter your apartment from here, again, this will be your kitchen. Take them to the kitchen.
Well, what I wanted to also say is that, so in this kitchen, you have like a island. So the difference between the other apartment and this one, you have an island here. But I want you to go back and watch the video so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna leave the link off in the cards so you can definitely check it out. But same appliances, same Wolf appliances, same gas stove, beautiful cabinetry, and then you have the seamless refrigerator.
Yeah, I like that.
I absolutely love that.
That's a great touch. Yeah. That's a great touch.
Absolutely love that. And I love the combination between white and
the dark
brown.
wood.
Yeah, I love anything chocolate brown. Like I absolutely love that.
And don't forget, if they have wine, there's a little wine cooler there too.
Yeah, that is pretty nice. And you get that. And then of course you have like a little small pantry. You could definitely build it out by adding some shelves in there just to, you know.
You could store a lot of food in there.
Yeah. So let's take you to the beautiful view. So of course the lighting in here is not too bright because there's no chandeliers, just that one ceiling light. But when you add your light,
yeah, they're in the process of adding the chandelier. So in this one, you see the sitting area is here, but it's adjacent to your nice balcony that gives you a beach view. So this is the beach. Let me zoom you guys in so you could see the beach. So you could see the ocean. It's very tranquil though.
Like you're actually in the middle of Fort Lauderdale, but you would not feel it because of the trees and the birds that you're hearing, and the ocean is right there. It just makes you feel a little bit more, you know, relaxed and more quaint.
Yeah, look at this, Carsa. Did you see the very top? You have a little bit of a pocket right here. This looks really nice. Like if this was my place, I would put some LED lighting here at nighttime to give you that sense of celestial lighting, which I think would be a good touch.
More, not so much of a high table.
No, not a high table.
Well, maybe the high table over in the corner just so you could see the ocean. And
here you need some lounge chair because I'm sure at some point you get some sun here. I would want to lounge, not sitting on a high table. Like she says, a high table could go right here. But remember, this door opens, which brings the outdoors into the indoors, and then this one opens too. So you could open both doors and bring the fresh air during the cooler months. Shall we go downstairs?
Yep. Where all your bedrooms are, which is nice. I like the reverse aspect of this unit. So of course, this is your master bedroom, which you get the best view. Of course, you get the best view.
If you're a master, you need to get the best view.
Absolutely.
So that comes with another balcony. Shall we go out and show them?
No, it's the same view from upstairs, but if you want to.
Yeah, why not? They're paying 1.7. They need to see. So this is the size of the balcony for the master. Not as big as upstairs, but nonetheless, a great little small balcony.
And then you have the bathroom, tub and standing shower, double sink. You know, the norm.
Okay. So it's the same layout as the other one. So you have the tub right here, and then you have the standing shower on the other side. Okay.
And then you have a closet right there that you definitely can build out. It's not built out, but...
Okay. Some other size, not
yeah. So
big.
this master bedroom has 2 closets. So one right there, and then you have another one right here. And like I said, you just have to build it out. But,
okay.
you know, a moderate size.
Let me show you guys. So you have bifolded doors. This one is at least 8 feet long. Okay.
So this is the other bedroom. So if you guys checked out the other video, the bedrooms were a little bit smaller, but this one is a really good size. They're still long, but nevertheless, it's really a nice size because as you can see, you have 2 single bed or 2 full-size bed, and you still have ample room to move around. And I love that you have a balcony. I mean, you have city views and you have a balcony that you can definitely sit out. So you don't have to use this as a, you know, kid bedroom, but
yeah, you could do it as an office or even an exercise room if you don't have any children.
There you go. And then of course you have a bathroom and then another closet.
Yeah, same size closet, standing shower. Okay, and lastly,
this is the last bedroom, and with this bedroom, I like the fact that they put the little console table right here because you have this little hallway coming down into the bedroom to make it feel a little bit bigger.
And you could put art pieces. If you don't like this, you could put a nice art piece right here.
Yeah, I love that. And then this bedroom, same, I think about the same size, except because of the shape of it, you have the long hallway, but you have the balcony that oversee the city view, and I like that too.
Okay. All right, so this is the apartment, guys, for 1.7. You know, great location, you know, great place to for a young professional. So if you have any question, you let us know.